Have traffic jams become so bad that the future of transportation needs to leave the roads completely? More than 1.4 billion vehicles currently operate worldwide, and major cities lose hundreds of hours every year to traffic congestion. Now Elon Musk is hinting at a flying Tesla robotaxi called SkyCab, a project that could completely change how people move through cities. During a recent appearance on the Joe Rogan podcast, Elon Musk made comments that immediately grabbed the attention of investors, engineers, and transportation experts around the world. Musk hinted that Tesla may be closer than expected to creating a flying autonomous taxi based on its upcoming CyberCab platform. Within hours, discussions exploded across social media platforms and technology forums. The reason is simple. Tesla already produces millions of electric vehicles, operates some of the world's most advanced AI systems, and has access to massive manufacturing facilities. In 2025 alone, Tesla's global vehicle deliveries crossed 1.7 million units, giving the company an industrial advantage that very few competitors can match. This is why even a small hint about a flying vehicle immediately created headlines across the industry. The flying taxi market has been growing rapidly over the past few years. Analysts estimate that the global air mobility industry could be worth more than $1 trillion by 2040. Companies such as Joby Aviation, Archer Aviation, and Lilium have spent years developing electric aircraft for city transportation. However, Tesla entering the sector could completely change the competitive landscape. Unlike most startups, Tesla already owns factories capable of large-scale production and has years of experience building electric powertrains. Several market analysts noted that after Musk's comments, investors immediately began reassessing the future of existing air taxi companies. Whenever Tesla enters a new industry, competitors usually pay very close attention, and this situation appears to be no different. According to industry reports and supplier rumors, Tesla may be working on a project unofficially referred to as SkyCab. Sources claim engineers have been exploring a transportation platform capable of operating both on roads and in the air. If true, this would be very different from traditional flying taxis currently under development. Most existing air taxi designs focus only on flight operations. Tesla reportedly wants a vehicle that can function as both a road vehicle and an aircraft. The idea sounds incredibly ambitious because engineers have attempted similar concepts for decades without achieving large-scale success. Combining two transportation systems into one machine creates major challenges involving weight, safety, aerodynamics, and energy efficiency. Tesla's recent hiring of aerospace engineers, aerodynamics experts, and electric propulsion specialists has fueled speculation that the company may be working on technology beyond traditional cars. However, the biggest innovation may not be the flying capability itself, but the autonomous AI system behind it. Tesla has already invested billions into full self-driving technology and collects massive amounts of real-world driving data every day. Some analysts believe SkyCab could become the world's first fully autonomous flying taxi, allowing passengers to travel without a pilot. If successful, it could mark one of the biggest transportation breakthroughs since the rise of commercial aviation. Can artificial intelligence handle air travel? Operating a flying vehicle is far more complicated than driving on a road. A self-driving car must monitor traffic lights, road signs, pedestrians, and nearby vehicles. A flying taxi faces additional challenges, including altitude management, weather changes, turbulence, air traffic, and obstacle avoidance. Experts estimate that autonomous air systems may need to process thousands of data points every second to operate safely. Tesla's advantage comes from years of AI development and access to massive computing infrastructure. Some reports suggest future systems may be capable of predicting the movement of nearby objects several seconds before potential conflicts occur. If these technologies mature successfully, AI-controlled transportation could eventually become safer than human-operated systems. Every flying vehicle project eventually encounters the same obstacle: battery technology. Flight requires significantly more energy than normal driving. Current electric aircraft often struggle with range limitations because batteries remain heavy compared to traditional fuel systems. Tesla has spent years developing advanced battery technologies, including its 4680 battery cells, which are designed to improve energy density and reduce costs. Some industry analysts estimate that a future SkyCab could potentially achieve a range between 250 and 300 kilometers per charge if battery improvements continue at the current pace. That level of performance would already be sufficient for many urban transportation routes and regional travel applications. Could Starlink become part of the system? Many experts believe SpaceX's Starlink satellite network could play an important role in any future Tesla air transportation system. Starlink already consists of more than 7,000 satellites orbiting Earth and provides internet connectivity across large parts of the world. Flying vehicles require constant communication, navigation updates, and real-time monitoring. A satellite-supported system could help maintain stable connections even in densely populated urban environments. Some analysts have even suggested that Tesla and SpaceX may eventually create an integrated transportation network combining satellites, artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, and autonomous flight technologies. Such a system would allow vehicles to exchange information continuously while improving safety and efficiency. Transportation shapes how cities grow and function. Traffic congestion costs the global economy hundreds of billions of dollars every year through wasted time and reduced productivity. In some major cities, commuters spend more than 100 hours annually sitting in traffic. A successful flying taxi network could dramatically reduce travel times between different parts of a city. Urban planners have already begun discussing future transportation models that include rooftop landing stations and dedicated aerial corridors. If air transportation becomes affordable and widely available, it could change where people choose to live, work, and invest. Entire city layouts may eventually evolve around new forms of mobility. Even if the technology works perfectly, regulatory approval remains a major obstacle. Aviation authorities around the world maintain strict safety standards because public trust depends on reliable transportation systems. Regulators must determine how autonomous flying vehicles will operate, how air traffic will be managed, and what safety requirements must be met. Experts believe certification processes could take several years even after a working prototype is revealed. Insurance providers, government agencies, and transportation authorities will all play important roles in determining how quickly flying taxis can become part of daily life. Many analysts believe regulations may ultimately move slower than the technology itself. What could SkyCab actually look like? Although Tesla has not revealed any official design, concept artists have already created numerous interpretations of what SkyCab might become. Many predictions suggest a vehicle inspired by Tesla's Cybertruck design language, featuring sharp geometric surfaces and a highly futuristic appearance. Some rumors claim hidden turbines or deployable flight systems could remain concealed while driving and activate only during takeoff. Interior designs are expected to follow Tesla's minimalist philosophy with large displays, voice controls, and panoramic glass views. Industry insiders also speculate that future versions could include AI assistants capable of managing navigation, communication, and passenger comfort automatically throughout the journey. Instead of selling SkyCab to individuals, Tesla could operate a giant autonomous taxi network where users simply book rides through an app and pay per trip. This model could generate continuous revenue and potentially transform Tesla from a car manufacturer into one of the world's largest transportation platforms. If successful, SkyCab could become a major transportation revolution, although challenges involving batteries, safety, regulations, and infrastructure still need to be solved. Even so, many experts believe autonomous air travel could become one of the biggest technological shifts of the coming decades. The biggest question is whether Tesla is truly building SkyCab or if the rumors are simply ahead of reality. Even without an official prototype, Tesla's AI technology, manufacturing power, and Elon Musk's vision continue to fuel excitement about the future of transportation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science and technology content.